What's up, y'all? Back with another video. This is a new product. As you can see, I haven't even opened it yet, but it's a billet brake master cylinder reservoir from MDP Florida. You might hear some static in the back because of the fan. It's really hot out here in Houston, and I just got from work. So all right, cool. Send me out. Works JDM store. Nice lanyard. I needed one. Cool sticker. There you go. MDP. Want to use that? You get straight to their store. So it looks like it comes with one bolt. I'm not sure what it is for, but we'll find out. It's just a brake master cylinder at the end of the day, so it's nothing difficult. So here we go. Boom, look at that. Nice. So it should come with its own dipstick, apparently. There you go, see? Nice. What I'm gonna do is, it's gonna delete our factory clutch fluid reservoir, and it's gonna be adapted to here, and we're gonna use it also for obviously our brakes. So it's pretty cool. It's gonna clean up the engine bay, which it's my thing. I like having a clean engine bay. So this is a cool new product. This literally came out about, I don't know, about a week and a half ago, and it got shipped out pretty quick. It took, I think, only like 3 days. So shout out to MDP right here. Before we start tearing things apart inside, it provides you with these fittings. Show them on the back, and it's recommended to put RTV on these or Teflon, but I'll just throw on some Honda Bond. Always good to have Honda Bond, you never know. So there's two different sizes, you can see. The long one will go onto this side, which would be the brake master cylinder, and this one would be your clutch reservoir one, so the small one, the shorter one. But before we do this, like I said, apply RTV while it pretty much sits drying. We can start removing the older ones, well, the stock ones in the car. It's all good. Put it on. And it should look like that, and just tighten it. It's gonna be a 12 millimeter, so just make sure you tighten it, break it, and there you go. It should look something like this. So now I'll put this to the side. We'll go take out the old one. So mine is a TL Type S master cylinder. This will apply the same thing for the stock 8 Civic master cylinder. So it'll go either way. So the first thing you want to do is remove your fuse box cover, right? Because there is a 10 here on the side that you have to get to, and then you'll have this harness to move around. So take that off first. Let me get y'all closer. So this is what I'm talking about right here. There's that 10. I believe it's a 10 or an 8. It's been a while. You have to remove that. Then this will come loose. Don't take the hoses off just yet, but just make sure you get that off. You'll also have a sensor down here to remove it. It's a blue one. Just remove the clip at the bottom and just move it to the side for now. The MDP one will not have a sensor for it, but just check your brake fluid. Get your 10 extension, hit it. There you go, comes right off. Move it to the side. so. Next will be your clutch fluid reservoir. There is 110. That's right there. Just get that out. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use vice grips. I just don't like to have a big mess. Just gonna get it on here. Okay, let's do that. Get your needle nose. Get your needle nose and remove that. Split right here. Okay. Easiest way I do these is even at work, just lightly compress the hose and just twist it. So this is ready to be removed. You won't have to bleed nothing, so this is pretty much direct swap. Okay. Leave that to the side. Same thing to the other one. Same thing. Remove the clip. I know it's really hard to see, but I'm trying over here. There we go. All right, after fighting that for a good 10 minutes, harder than I thought. I used a little hook around the hose and just went around it. And it's best to just like twist the old one just like that out, because if not you'll be fighting it. So here is a I guess you could say the mount that will pretty much slide on here, so it'll just go like this, right? Before you do that, obviously hook up all your plugs. My bad. not plugs. Your wires. Shit. I mean your hoses. My bad, guys. It's been a long day at work. I saw this coming in, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna knock this out. It's a quick job. All right. Probably throw some lube on the other one. That one's pretty tough. Okay, there you go. There's one. That one you might need a hose clamp, because that one's, it's too easy to come in and out. I don't think this clamp will do it, so I'm gonna have to look for a hose clamp and clamp this down. So I threw on the hose clamp right here. Tighten it as much as you can. I'm still gonna throw this over it right here, right? So now this is ready. Well, there you go. Ready to go on. Boom. You'll hear like a little snap once you put it on, so just make sure that's on there good. Don't forget the Allen bolt they supplied for this part down here. You could use your 10, it wouldn't matter, but you know, this one looks nicer. There we go, nice and snug. back the harness on the mount. Back here. There we go. You're done. Just make sure you fill it up. Filled up. Close it back up. Make sure you throw on your fuse box cover. Right? So, clean it up. So that's how you install it. It really only took me maybe an hour, but that's like figuring out the tools and, you know, filming and stuff like that. If I didn't have to film, it would have taken me maybe like 30 minutes at most. So like I said, you don't have to bleed your brakes on this one. Just fill up your reservoir, obviously. And it's a nice showpiece, you know. Excuse me, my engine bay is dirty, but it'll pretty much look good with everything else that's polished in the engine bay, which is nice. It's a nice little touch. So thanks for watching. If there's any questions, I'll leave my IG on the description. You can hit me up there. I've had a couple of people already hit me up on other stuff on IG, so feel free to DM me anytime and I'll get back to you. And thanks again, MDP Florida, for this. It's a nice touch. And I'm out. Peace.